What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install one of these. This is a towel hook or a robe hook, whichever one you want to use it for. But if you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and notification bell so you can get all my new upcoming videos. And let's get to this one. Okay, so how the majority of these towel bars, towel hooks, robe hooks, even the toilet paper holders work is there's these little brackets. This side right here gets mounted to the wall through these holes, and it hooks into these little notches right here, like this. And there's these little set screw that you gotta loosen up on the bottom. It's usually a little flathead or a little Allen head. But then you have to tighten that, and the little set screw right here goes up and basically holds that on and clamps it on there. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and measure out the height where I want it. Usually on these things it's between 5 and 6 feet is a good spot, but you can put it wherever you want it. Now it's best to install the little mounting plate into a wall stud. That's going to give you the sturdiest connection. When you don't use that, you're going to have to use these little plastic anchors. I don't recommend using the ones that come with it. I recommend getting bigger ones if you have to use anchors, ones that have a stronger weight capacity holding, because what can happen is, especially with towel bars and things, it can end up pulling out of the drywall, and then you've kind of got a bigger mess to deal with. I have cut open a wall and slipped in a piece of wood where I'm gonna do it, and then just screw that into the drywall in a few places so you have a real sturdy connection. You can do that as well. There should be a wall stud right here on the edge of our shower framing. You can use a stud finder or a magnet to catch the drywall heads. I can hear it though just by knocking. Alright, so I'm just going to put the bracket right around here. Then I'm going to take a little level, get that nice and straight. And then go ahead and mark our holes on those lines, just 2. And hopefully we hit the stud. Yeah, it feels like I'm going into wood. And we can just screw that plate in. And try and keep the plate nice and straight. Okay, then we're going to take our hook and we're going to slip this top edge over our bracket first. And then pull it down, and then we're going to use our little pocket screwdriver flathead bit. I'll make sure I go ahead and put links down in the description to one of these guys for you and all the rest of the tools and supplies I'm using. Some of them do use the little Allen head. If they do use that, they usually come with an Allen head. This can be a little fiddly, this part, getting this on the bracket sometimes with certain brands of these towel bars and towel hooks. This one has a square top. I can go ahead and level this too. You kind of got to get that little set screw pretty tight. Alright, so that's it, and we can go ahead and hang our towel on it. And that's it, guys. Hopefully this short little video helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below and I'll try and get back to you. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you can get all my new upcoming videos. That really helps me out. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.